Hey everyone, want to know how to build a portfolio that pays you money while you sleep? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a high-yield portfolio that works in 2025. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers with over 800,000 reads. I've produced over 600 videos with more than 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics. Think of high-yield investing like owning a fruit orchard. Some trees give you fruit every month, while others produce bigger harvests once or twice a year. In 2025, we need these money trees more than ever because regular savings accounts just aren't cutting it anymore. Let me share what's happening in the market right now. European high-yield investments are giving returns over 8%, while U.S. ones offer about 7.2%. Compare that to Singapore's 5-year government bond yield of just 2.92%. That's why we need to look at better options. I'll break down 4 types of investments that can give you steady income. First up is dividend stocks. In Singapore, we have some amazing dividend payers. DBS leads the pack with a 5.36% yield, and they're planning to raise dividends even more in the coming years. OCBC isn't far behind at 5.61%, while UOB offers 5.32%. What about REITs? Capitaland Integrated Commercial Trust gives a sweet 6.42% yield. That means if you invest $10,000, you'll get about $642 back each year. Mapletree Industrial Trust is another solid choice with a 5.61% yield. These are like owning pieces of shopping malls and offices without needing millions of dollars. Third, let's talk about bonds. European high-yield bonds are offering yields around 5.6%, while U.S. ones give about 7.2%. These are like lending money to companies in exchange for regular interest payments. The best part? Bond yields are expected to stay attractive through 2025 as central banks keep cutting rates. For the fourth option, look at Singapore blue chip stocks. Companies like Singapore Airlines are paying a 7.42% dividend yield. ComfortDelGro offers 5.02%, and Keppel Corporation gives 5.25%. These are stable companies that have been around for decades. Now, here's something most YouTubers won't tell you. You need to watch out for 3 things when chasing high yields. First, if a company offers unusually high yields, it might be in trouble. Second, make sure the company has enough cash to keep paying dividends. Third, check if they've been consistently paying dividends for at least 5 years. Let me share a real example from my portfolio. I invested $50,000 in Singapore REITs last year. With an average yield of 6%, that's $3,000 in passive income annually. That's like getting paid $250 every month for doing nothing. Here's how you can start building your own high-yield portfolio. First, spread your money across different investments. Put some in dividend stocks like DBS and OCBC, some in REITs like Capitaland Integrated Commercial Trust, and maybe some in bonds. Second, look for companies with strong financials. DBS, for example, made $2.79 billion in profit just in the second quarter of 2024. That's the kind of company that can keep paying dividends even when times get tough. Third, be patient. High-yield investing is like growing a garden. It takes time to see results. Start with whatever amount you have, even if it's just $1,000. The key is to keep adding to your investments regularly. Before we wrap up, let me give you 3 action steps. First, look at Singapore's blue chip stocks. Companies like DBS, OCBC, and UOB are great starting points. Second, consider REITs. They're perfect for monthly income. Third, think about bonds if you want something more stable. Remember, building a high-yield portfolio isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating streams of income that flow whether you're working or sleeping. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income grow. Remember, building a high-yield portfolio isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating streams of income that flow whether you're working or sleeping. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your passive income grow. Speaking of growth investments, many of you have been asking about tech stocks. If you're interested in adding some growth potential to your high-yield portfolio, check out my Singapore Tech Investing Guide 2025 video. I break down the best Singapore tech companies to watch, including C Limited, Grab, and other regional tech giants that could complement your income-generating investments. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell. Drop a comment below with your favorite high-yield investment. I'd love to hear what's working for you. And don't forget to watch the Tech Investing Guide. I'll put the link right here in the description.